Okay, so today we're going to be talking about the Russian join. And the Russian join can be used when you want to take another skein of yarn and add it to your project and you've run out of yarn. So I'll think of this as the end of my skein, and now I'm needing to add new yarn. So this is my new yarn that I'm going to be adding, and I put one over the top of the other. Doesn't matter which side you go over the top, just so long as they go right over the top of each other like that. And then what you would do is you would take your tapestry needle and put it on your yarn that you're going to be working with. Remember, this Russian join only works on a wool or natural animal fiber. It does not work on plant fibers or cotton, okay? And then as you see that I'm weaving my tapestry needle up into the center of the actual fiber. It works really well with plied yarn, especially if it's more than 3 plies or at least 3 plies. And you just keep going around. What you're trying to do is take that tapestry needle and put it right up into the center of the plies. And as soon as you think you have a good amount woven into there, see it's threaded on there, then you would just pull it through. Make sure that you're keeping your loop on the other side of your yarn. Then you would take this tapestry needle out. One second here, it's cut. Take the tapestry needle out, and I'll finish it off in just a little bit. Then go over to this other side and put the tapestry needle on your working yarn side. Oop. Okay, one more strand to get in there. There you go. And put that on there. Then you would do the same exact thing. Go up into here and start getting that tapestry needle down the center of that strand of yarn. And you just do it for a good 1.5 inches or so. The more the merrier, so they say. And just keep winding it around there. And there. Okay, so I have a good amount on that side. Then you would just thread it through again. And you want to get your tail out of there. Find the tail and get the tail out of there. Take your tapestry needle off now and just let your yarn relax there. And you see how it's kind of right in there. You want to pull it up pretty tight so your loop is pretty tight up there. And then you'd pull this other side. There you go. 1 second here. Come on. It's already stuck on there. Let's see if I can get it to behave. There you go. Now it's working better. You want to get it as close up to the top as you can without creating too much of a bump. Okay? And then you would take these tails that you have and you would go ahead and knit with your yarn, and when you get to this tail you can just clip it off and then just continue knitting on, and all it does is make the yarn just a little bit raised, but you can't even notice that it's a little bit thicker. And that's how you do the Russian join, and that prevents you from weaving in quite so many ends.